Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, so dude, I'm Simon. So basically, I'm going on a little bit of an adventure. I went from my hometown Korsør to a town called Nyborg. I just took the train. You saw that in the intro. Also, the intro started out a little bit weird because I filmed when I walked into the train and stuff, and then I sat down and deleted some clips from an earlier video, and accidentally I deleted like 2 clips from just now, so that's nice. So basically I'm meeting up with a friend in about an hour or so I wanted to go out and explore the city a little bit. I know a pretty cool spot with some goats and stuff, and yeah, I just got vaccinated and stuff, so but I'm fine. I'm fine. So yeah, I just want to spend the rest of the day doing this stuff, so I just wanted to make a video. I got about like 30 minutes to where I want to be. I also kind of have to figure out where it is, so yeah, just enjoy this while I'm gonna walk there. Little update. I'm kind of lost. So I googled the place that I wanted to go because I knew it was kind of like a kids zoo thing, but not really. So I just googled that. And I found it. I actually found it on Google. And it takes about 45 minutes to go there. So this is nice. At least the weather's not that bad. It's kind of raining a little bit, but doesn't stop us. I don't give up. So I'll probably update you in a little bit. In 45 minutes. What have I done? Adventures. Okay, so I found like the main road. So yeah, I just have to walk straight for 35 minutes and then I'll be there. Yay, adventure! It sounds like I don't want to do this, but I do. But it's so damn hot, to be honest. Yeah, 35 minutes walking in a straight line, and we'll get to pet some animals. Yes. So I went into a store to get an ice cream. So that's nice. Got about 32 minutes left, so I'm gonna eat this, freshen up, and get going. Okay, so I'm here. I just have to walk through this like grass area, and down right here we're gonna pass through. Not gonna pass through, but we're gonna pass some cows. I'm gonna see if I can hang out with them, I guess. Yeah, and when I'm done that, I'm gonna go show you all the other animals. So we're here now after 45 minutes, and this is gonna be nice. Hey, cowboy. I think this is a cowboy. The other one is a cowgirl, but they're looking at me, so I'm gonna see if I can get them over. Hey, buddy. They don't really seem to care that I'm here, which is quite sad because I was here the other day. And they were pretty nice. But buddy, cow buddy. That's fine, I guess. Hey, buddy, get over here, buddy. Hey, Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy boy. Hey, buddy. How you doing, boy? I'm kind of scared to touch him. I don't know, but you know, that's some big ass horns, yo. Buddy boy. Hey. Hey, boy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Buddy? Buddy boy? Buddy boy? Hehe. Buddy? Let's go look at some of the other animals. I think there's like 5 minutes away, and they're pretty friendly. You can touch the goats and you can touch the horses, and there are also like small bunnies and bunny babies. They're like this big, and the sun is actually down, but you know, I'm gonna go and see if I can go meet them before you know it gets totally dark and you can't see anything. It's the animal garden. Hey, hey, buddy, little buddy boy. Hey, buddy. So you can see I got a lot of bunnies, and the bunnies got baby bunnies. So they got all these more. It would have been cool to have a little bit more sunlight, but we have to make do with this, I guess. So you can see how small they are. Just small bunny, but no. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, little buddy boy. Oh my god. Hey, little bunny boy. How you doing, buddy? You got one here too. Hey, how you doing, buddy? So cute. We also got these goat boys. I don't think they want to talk right now because they look kind of tired. But I'm gonna try and get some of them over here. They're just chilling. Sadly, can't really see the black one standing there, kinda. But yeah. Hey, buddy. I think it's going over here. Buddy. Hey. Get over here, ma'am. Buddy. It's getting over here. Buddy. Please. Buddy. No? So the goats didn't really want to talk, they just went inside. But the bunnies are nice. Bunny boy. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, bunny boy. Hey, bunny boy. Nice. All those small bunny boys. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, meow. Sadly, the quality is not gonna be the best because, you know, it's kind of dark and stuff, but yeah. I want to see if I can get a shot of this white one that there is, because it's so small. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
How you doing, buddy? Yeah. You can see it's like smaller than my hand. Hey, buddy. So cute.
The horses are inside sleeping, so it's right there. Hey, buddy. How you doing, man? Hey, buddy. Nice. How you doing? You hungry? You hungry, buddy? You don't care. Just chilling. So, sadly it's too dark right now, but I hope you enjoyed this video anyway and enjoyed the small bunnies and stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little video because I haven't made a video in a while, and in a while I mean like 5 days, but that feels like a long time for me. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope it doesn't get too long, but yeah, I see you guys next time, so stay happy.